On the slide, go down the slide.
Stop recording me.
Do a sound effect.
Can't.
Do Scooby-Doo.
How do you do it?
Hi, Chowder. I'm Hi, Chowder.
He's going on YouTube. He's going on YouTube. You do it.
Have you seen that Ryder thing I sent you?
Schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
Haven't been on Facebook. How do you have your phone in there, Andrew?
I could do it.
Chris, do Scooby-Doo.
I can't do it. I gotta practice.
So practice now.
Let's go in your house and practice.
No.
Stop playing with my menudo.
There's a
Flies
fly
were in
wanna go
there.
Nuh-uh.
No, I wanted to.
Do it.
I can't.
Why?
Gragger?
Greg, what the hell?
We make everybody do sound effects.
Everybody at my job does that shit.
Which one now? Oh?
They do all of a sudden, and then they do what do they do? They
You do that one?
that's catching on, yeah.
Yeah. Mario does it too now.
There you go.
What?
I wasn't calling you.
Yeah, you were.
No, not that.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm not calling you. Yeah.